Did you know there are things happening in you that are so strange, they almost seem like science fiction? Imagine feeling pain in your foot even after it has been amputated. Or what if you could actually see things even though you're blind? We're diving into the incredible world of human psychology. These mind-blowing facts might just change the way you think about your own mind. Let's explore these 10 amazing facts that reveal the wonders of human psychology. 1. Déjà Vu Phenomenon. Ever experienced that odd moment where you feel like you've lived through a situation before? That's called déjà vu. It's like a glitch in the brain where your brain mistakenly thinks something feels familiar. Scientists aren't entirely sure why this happens, but it might be connected to how our memory works. It's a small peek into how complex our perception of reality can be. 2. Phantom limb syndrome. Have you ever heard of phantom limb syndrome? This occurs when a person who has lost a limb still feels sensations or pain in that missing limb. Even if the limb is gone, the brain still maps that part of the body. It can be so real that the sensations often feel intense. This phenomenon shows just how powerful our brain's perception can be. 3. Blindsight. Imagine being blind but still being able to detect movements around you. This is the fascinating concept of blindsight. Some individuals who are blind can respond to visual stimuli without consciously seeing it. Their brains have alternative pathways that allow them to sense the world, even if they can't see it. It's a reminder that our brains are capable of functioning in remarkable ways. 4. The Capgras Delusion. This one sounds like something out of a movie. The Capgras Delusion causes someone to believe that a loved one has been replaced by an imposter. This rare condition shows how our brains process facial recognition and bonds. It highlights just how deeply interlinked our emotions and perceptions truly are. The human mind can be a confusing place. 5. Synesthesia. Imagine tasting the color purple. That's what people with synesthesia experience. For them, senses blend in surprising ways, like seeing sounds or tasting shapes. It's due to unique wiring in the brain, which allows for extraordinary sensory experiences. This makes the world a richer place for those who experience it. 6. The perception of time. Have you ever felt like time stretched on forever during a boring class? Or perhaps it zipped by during a thrilling moment? Under stress or extreme conditions, our perception of time can warp drastically. This phenomenon is often referred to as time dilation. It shows how flexible our minds can be during various situations. 7. The third man factor. In life and death situations, many people report feeling a comforting presence. This is known as the third man factor. Survivors of extreme circumstances say this presence offered guidance and support. It's thought to be a survival mechanism of our minds, pushing people forward when in danger. It taps into the deeper layers of our psychological fabric. 8. Sleep paralysis. Imagine waking up, knowing you're awake, but you can't move a muscle. This terrifying experience is known as sleep paralysis. During this state, many people encounter vivid hallucinations that can seem very real. Caught between sleep and wakefulness, your mind plays tricks on you. This glimpse into the sleep world shows us just how strange our minds can be during slumbers. 9. Split brain patients. In unique cases, some individuals have had their brain hemispheres surgically separated. This leads to split brain patients who can exhibit two different consciousnesses. It's like having two minds in one body, where each side can operate independently. Their experiences challenge our understanding of identity and consciousness. It's a fascinating area that neuroscience is still uncovering. 10. Mind-reading technology. Can you really decode thoughts? Thanks to advancements in neuroscience, scientists are getting closer. They can analyze brain activity to reconstruct images a person is thinking about. We might be inching toward real-life mind reading, blurring the lines between thoughts and reality. This brings us to exciting possibilities but also raises ethical questions about privacy and consciousness. What do you think about these incredible facts? Which one blew your mind the most? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and share it with your friends. And if you want more amazing content about the human mind, make sure to subscribe for future videos. Stay curious and keep exploring the wonders of human psychology.